I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be.
So I am actually not home, not in Chicago. I, yet again, made another trip, part of my tiny home diaries. I am not in Indiana this time, but I'm in Illinois, southwestern Illinois. There's a lot of rural land, a lot of farms. I'm in Normal, Illinois. I didn't know that this was a city until I was actually looking for just tiny homes in drivable distance. Found this barn. I guess it's technically not a tiny home, but it's very small. They have a small area in the barn that they've renovated and made more into like a 1-bedroom loft. Downstairs, there's the kitchen. You guys will see the tour. It's super cute. I'm enjoying it so far. I met the owner and I was talking to her for a good 15 minutes and she's super sweet. It's a barn, right? So not surprising, but they do have animals. They have 2 alpacas, 2 goats, several chickens, several ducks. Just seeing them up close, and there's kind of something charming or sentimental about it that they have this barn, but they don't have a ton of animals. They only have 2 of each type of animal that they have, and they don't do any slaughtering or anything of their animals. They receive eggs from the chicken, they make butter, cream, things like that. The alpacas are so cute. It's my first time seeing them so close in person. Very sweet. They have little tails that wag, same with the goats, and it's so cute because it reminds me of a dog. They get excited and they wag their tail. Super cute. I think I'm gonna go back out and take another stroll. Clear fields, which I really love. There's so many bugs outside. It's crazy. I've never had bugs just eat me so quickly. I'm gonna have to count them, but I think I have over 20 mosquito bites. And I caught 2 red-handed. I actually bled both times. Actually 3 times. 1 on my foot and 2 on my arms. It was so nice being out, but those dang bugs, specifically mosquitoes. I was next to a little pond that they have, so standing water, not great. Walking around is so nice, and the barn setup and how they've made this loft really thoughtful. I am really enjoying it. When I come back, I'll make some food, but this time I think I'll do it inside because bugs are just too much outside. Talk to you later.
Yeah. With my guitar, I left the town. I drew my heart, I let it wall. But I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played the Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. You point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down. Suddenly it's over now. But you know we're falling slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Now I'm back, see the New York signs. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be
Can't
could all be over. We're not okay.